welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be playing with Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love this palette. It is one of my all-time favorites. And today is also a collab with SimplyGlammed or Becca here on YouTube, one of my friends. If you enjoy my content or the type of videos I create, definitely check her out because we post very similar videos. We also too sometimes even post the same video. Like today, we both posted the Alien palette from Jeffree Star along with like swatches and the holiday lipstick bundle. We both posted the same video, which is just kind of funny. We didn't even talk about it. So great minds think alike. If you haven't used this palette before or you're not familiar with the shades, I will go ahead and open it up. It's a very warm tone, neutral kind of palette. You do have some brighter shades in here, and I definitely tend to go for the brights when I look at this palette. This Real Agar shade is definitely the first one I ever picked up in this palette. Dipped into that orange shade. If there's an orange shade in a palette, I'm definitely going to use it first. Love Letter also gets a lot of love from me. So today I'm going to do more of a neutral eye with the shades that don't get a lot of love, like Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, and maybe Golden Ochre. Rebecca's going to do more of a colorful look on her channel, so definitely go ahead and check that one out. And let's get into this video. Starting out, I'm just going to use Golden Ochre as my transition shade. And I'm using a Sigma E40 blending brush. Today's video is also a little bit different because I already have my makeup done. I usually do my eyes first and then clean up at the end. So today I gotta be a little bit more careful. And I'm just building that up a little bit more. Today I'm filming 2 videos. I'm also doing a get ready with me. So I just thought for like ease of transition, I would do my makeup first for this one. This palette does usually have some fallout, so I will clean up any at the end. Maybe I'll have to add a little bit of my highlighter back. Same brush, and I'm going to use Raw Sienna next. And I'm just working that more into my crease. And then just buffing it up a little bit. Never mind about the failures. Fall down and rise again. These are both really beautiful shades. I'm not sure why I don't usually use them. I really like them. Next on a Sigma E70, and this is gonna look a little turquoise from the Alien palette, but I have cleaned it off. It's just a little bit stained. And next I'm going to take some of Antique Bronze, and I'm adding that onto my outer lid, and then I will slowly bring it up. And I'm just adding a little bit of Raw Sienna back, just to keep that warmth. I feel like you could totally stop this here and just add a little bit more of a lid color, but I'm gonna go ahead and darken it up a little bit more with Cypress Umber, which is the deeper brown in this palette. And I'm using a pencil brush to do this. This is a Sigma Small Taper Blending or E45. And I'm just bringing it up a tiny bit. I will blend that out so it doesn't have any harsh lines. My foundation is cracking. Been wearing it for a minute. Please excuse. Also, while I'm at it, please excuse my nails. They look like shit. I am in the process of growing out my natural nails. I had acrylics for over a year, so trying to be nice to them. I'm trying to be kind, but they need to be painted and they're gonna get some love tomorrow. Next, I'm just gonna take Cypress Umber and I'm gonna stamp it on the outer part of my lid with my finger, and then I'm gonna put Antique Bronze more in the middle. So I know I said before that I was thinking of doing a little bit of a cut crease, but I think I'm just going to keep this simple today. I'm going to go in with Primavera, and I am going to use some MAC Fix Plus, so I'm going to use it wet just on the inner part. And this is a Spectrum A16. I just love this little brush. It's just great for detail work.
Watch it tumble down, then we try again. Push that stone by the top of that hill.
And then I'm just going to use my finger to blend the two shades together. Or three, I got three on there. Next I'm going to go in with some liner, and then I'm also just going to wear mascara. I've decided to get false lashes today just because I'm going to be wearing them in my next video. To finish this off on the lower lash line, I'm going to be using Raw Sienna. I'm really feeling that shade, and then I'm also going to use a little bit more of the Cypress Umber. I'm really tapping off my brush because I don't want a ton of fallout. I've actually gotten pretty lucky so far, so fingers crossed. Next, I'm going to add just a little bit of eyeliner, black eyeliner, to my waterline, and then also my tight line. On a Sigma E30 pencil brush, I'm going to take Vermeer, and I'm going to use it underneath my brow bone and then also on the inner corner. And I'm really tapping this off just so I don't get any fallout on my lid. And here is the completed look. I haven't done a neutral eye in so long, and I actually had a lot of fun with it. I feel like this is a perfect eye. It's like a warm, smoky eye for like any kind of date night or any kind of evening event. It's just like a nice go-to, and I really enjoyed creating it, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell for notifications. Please like this video and leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite palette is. I would love to know. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.